Welcome everyone to the video. In this video, see what question many people have asked. Everyone told me, sir, please show me a completely recent payment proof. Alright, one that is from January, between 1st January to 15th January. Today, I am going to show you my complete payment proof, so the date is from the first website. Alright, another question was asked, whether I work alone or with a team. So, let me tell you, I work with a team. You can see the date yourself. The date is 13th and the complete data is right in front of you. I am opening it now. Alright, that too. Now you can see here how much payment we have received. Alright, you can see this much. You can also see which offers are being used. Alright, so this payment is from between the 1st and the 14th of the month. Now, let's open the second network for this period. Here, we have worked on Maxwell, and here we have received two payments of $900 each. Now, in the last 7 days, you can see here. This is one payment, and I am showing you one more payment. Alright, so we have received these two payments here. Alright, this is not all yet. Apart from this, we have also worked on other networks. Just like this, we have another one, and that too is for $900. Alright, I will show you that as well. So let's open the third network. Again, you can see the timing and the date. Alright, okay, let's open this. So, we are working with the team. That's why our payment proof is according to this. Our investment is even less than 1/3. Alright, now you can see in this network. We have made $700. Okay, now let me do one thing here. You are getting the offer report checked. Alright, you can see the date. Everything is absolutely open and clear in front of you. Okay, so just have a look at this. So, I want to clear one doubt from people's minds, that the thing which was being said, sir, this is not possible. For those who wanted to see 10 to 15 days proof, I have brought this just for them. Alright, after this we will talk in detail about this course in a complete manner. Okay, so now let's see this. In this one, you can see I am showing from 1st to 13th December. But if you look till the 15th, this is how much we have made. Alright, so here there is a $20 payout and all these amounts are included. So our payment proof is done. Alright, now what do we do here? Now, try to understand here, what is this CPA marketing course or what is this training program? Look, I have only 3 training programs. I don't teach too many things. I am only teaching 3 things. Alright, and if you watch this video, it will be very beneficial for you. One thing I do is call paper. The second thing I do is Blackhat SEO. Let me make it clear, if you master these 3 things, then you will never need anyone's help in digital marketing. And the third is CPM marketing. And there's one thing I want to make absolutely clear. If none of these 3 are free, then they are useless. Don't send me messages asking for free stuff. Honestly, I find it pointless when I have to refuse. Alright, look, for those who are absolute beginners, who have just entered digital marketing and want to learn about it, they should start with pay-per-call. What's the reason for that? See, in pay-per-call, we just have to do selling. Actually, we don't have to do selling in any of these things. In this, we have a targeted offer, which is my winning offer. I will tell you about that offer. I will run ads related to that offer on your Google Ads. I will run Google Ads for you, and you will get 100% result from there. When I say you will get results, I mean you definitely will. If you join any of my training programs, you are sure to get 100% result. Alright, I am giving this to you in writing. Here, we will use Google Ads, but the use of Google Ads will be so highly targeted that we are bound to get our desired results from there. Alright, and I can say this with full guarantee because we have worked on many different offers. We have worked on pest control offers. We have worked on flights. I have worked on water damage as well, And in all of these, my ROI has been more than 200%. So, if you are a complete beginner right now and want to get into digital marketing and you want to play it safe so that you have a steady income from one side while you keep trying out other things, then this is for you. And if you have an investment of around 10,000 to 15,000 rupees, alright, so keep this much aside, out of which you can consider 10,000 as fixed. The rest, we will use a little bit for Google Ads. If you have this much amount, then you should join Pay-Per-Call right now. It will definitely give you to 2-3 times the result, 100% guaranteed. Alright, now let's come to your Blackhat SEO. The main advantage of Blackhat SEO, buddy, is in both Pay-Per-Call and affiliate. It works in Pay-Per-Call as well as in affiliate, but you don't earn as much from it because here we only get links and numbers ranked. We get links and numbers ranked. Alright, so as I said, from here we get 3 to 4 calls daily, so a decent amount of revenue keeps coming in from this as well. But even if you are learning Blackhat SEO, it's not like you can just do SEO for free here either. Even here, you have to invest up to 10,000 rupees in Google. Documentation, verification, all these things are required here as well, and if you are taking care of all these things, then you will definitely get 100% result here too. And the results are really good. Really amazing results. If you come out from here and pick up any of my training programs, I guarantee that you will not regret it. I guarantee that you will definitely get results from there. Alright, the third is CPA marketing, and in CPA marketing, no doubt, you get results. I mean, if I say that CPA marketing is something where your revenue is bound to come, it will definitely come. But it does require investment. People come to me saying that it is absolutely free. This is not free, brother. Here, we have to buy data, and I'm talking specifically about data. The cost for 1 month comes to around 9,000 to 10,000 rupees. 9 to 10,000 rupees is the normal cost for our data. Apart from that, you will spend about 10,000 rupees just to learn. So, brother, you will have to spend at least 20,000 rupees right at the start for this course. So, CPM marketing is not a free thing. But yes, you will definitely get to 2-3 results here. If you are putting in hard work and effort, then results are guaranteed. If someone is telling me that, sir, you can take your guarantee of the method. I do guarantee my method. If anyone can prove that my method does not give results, I will refund the entire amount. Whoever is associated with me, I guarantee the method, and you will get 100% result from the method. I am here in every way to provide you with everything, my friend. If you have investment, if you are carrying this much investment with you, the minimum to join me is an investment of 10. If you are ready to invest that much, then fine, I guarantee you will get results. If you are putting in the hard work, then work hard, and you will definitely get results. Alright, now the question is, brother, how do we do these 3 things? Okay, how do we handle all 3 things? Now let's talk about this one by one. I know that most people here have cleared Pay-Per-Call, CPA. But I will cover all 3 because you see, I get questions about all 3, so we'll talk about all of them. First of all, let's take up Pay-Per-Call, and let me tell you, this is the most beginner-friendly method for today. There is almost zero competition in paper competition. There is almost zero competition in paper, so first of all, we focus on the network. We pick a good network. After choosing the network, we learn. There's Google. After learning Google Ads, we set up a campaign. Now, this is where the real game begins. At the start, people think that this is all there is to Pay-Per-Call. But this is where the real game starts. Brother, it's all about optimizing clicks and conversions. The essence of Pay-Per-Call is, if you are getting 3 clicks, how to generate 1 call from those 3 clicks. That's what a Pay-Per-Call is all about. If I say that 1 click is costing me 300 rupees, and let me tell you one thing. No matter what campaign I run, whether it's for flats, pest control, plumbing, or any of my winning offers, the cost per click never goes above 300 rupees. And if I manage to get 3 clicks, That means I'm spending 900 rupees and I get one call out of it. That means I'm getting calls for $24. $24 is roughly around 1,800 rupees for you. So you can see it for yourself here. There's always profit here. Many times, I've already shown my results on YouTube. You can go there and check it out yourself. Alright, you can see how strong my results are, so pay-per-call is absolutely worth it. If you are also entering digital marketing and you want your portfolio to start building within 1 to 2 weeks, then come and contact me for pay-per-call, and I guarantee you results in pay-per-call. Alright. Now let's move on. The second concept we have is Blackhat SEO. Let's talk a bit about Blackhat SEO. A lot of people have asked me, sir, what's the deal with Blackhat SEO? Look, mate, let me tell you something very clear about this as well. There are two types of Blackhat SEO. Blackhat SEO comes in two types. One is absolutely basic, and the other is completely advanced. In basic Blackhat SEO, what we do is, in basic Blackhat SEO, we focus on numbers. And your links, we get them ranked. In advanced Black SEO, the entire website gets ranked directly. But the advanced Black SEO, the one with complete link injection and all, like you saw in that video. Here, brother, it costs around 70,000 to 80,000 rupees just to create a full advanced setup. No doubt, with this you rank only in the top 3, and even for those keywords which have default KD, keyword difficulty, you can even rank those default keywords with KD above 60. That is your advanced setup, absolutely. What I teach students is the basics that, brother, for those keywords whose default KD is below 60, if you want to do affiliate marketing, CPM marketing, or pay-per-call, then here at the basic level where you just need to rank numbers and links, I teach those things how you can do it in 3 days, or at most it takes 10 days. In 10 days, you can rank anything. Alright, we teach this in Blackhat SEO, and even with this, quite a few boys are easily making $2,000 to $3,000 per month in revenue. So this is what happens in our Blackhat SEO. Now, if you want something absolutely advanced, like many casino companies that come with laser targeting, if they talk to me, they get the entire setup done. If I get the whole setup done, it costs us around 60,000, 70,000, or even 80,000. Only then does that thing rank at that level, and from that level, it also gives them results. So brother, if you want to go advanced, then that's a different matter. That's a separate thing, and I won't be able to teach that because everything gets included there. There's coding and all sorts of things involved, so doing that becomes a bit difficult. So whatever I teach students, I only teach the basics. Alright, this completes your section. The third and final section that we were talking about was CPA marketing. What were we discussing? Right now, we were talking about CPA marketing, brother. How in CPA marketing? I teach CPA marketing in 2 ways. Alright, try to understand this. Now, we will talk about this in complete detail. We also do CPM marketing in 2 ways. CPM marketing also happens in 2 ways. One type of our CPM marketing is like ads, which runs through ads and is called completely white. And the other type of our CPM marketing, if I say, is completely gray. See, in white CPM marketing, what do? We catch hold of winning offers. Then we run ads on those through our network or bank or on Facebook, and from there we get conversions. So what happens here is, if we are spending 100 rupees on ads, then yes, we get conversions worth 120 rupee to 140 rupees. So here, one can say that we are able to get conversions at a rate of 0.2 to 0.4, and that's considered a good conversion. If you make a good investment in the long term, you can generate good revenue from here. The second thing we do is work in gray areas. In gray, what we do is buy data. I said that you should buy data worth around 10,000 rupees. We also deal in data. Here, we use proxies. Different things are used here. When we do all these things, suppose my total expense comes to 20,000 rupees. But with this much expense, you can easily, make a revenue of 3 times in a month. This is the kind of work we do. This comes under our gray area. No doubt, the investment required here is higher. Now, what do we do here to minimize the risk? We take such an account which will not get suspended, an account that will not get suspended. We work on such accounts, and from here, we should be able to generate revenue, and from here, we can easily make up to 3 times the revenue. Take out 3 times the revenue, and we end up making a good profit from here. So, we are doing both of these things. That is why we are getting these results. And here also, I am saying it again. Whoever is joining, whoever is watching, you have to put in the effort. Nothing happens without effort, and you can't expect to be spoon-fed here, right? Or, sir will do all the work. Sir will handle everything. No, brother, you have to do the work yourself. Whether you join or not, that's not my concern. You have to do the work yourself. You will also need to invest. But yes, it's a simple thing that if you work in this way, you will definitely get a good result. No one can stop you. Alright, you will definitely get a good result here. Now, those who want to see more things in CPM marketing and the additional information I have provided, you must be seeing the link there. You will also see more videos ahead. You can go there and watch them. But I would like to say one simple thing. Join any one of the 3. If you are an absolute beginner, join the digital marketing paper call. Absolutely, If you want to take a middle position, join Blackhat SEO. If you want to learn advanced things and earn more revenue, join CPM marketing. But take action. You have to take some action no matter what. Don't join me. Go and join some other teacher, but don't just sit idle and waste your time thinking, I'll manage this for free, I'll manage that for free. Nothing will happen like that, yaar. When you went to do your 10th or 12th, right? Someone or the other paid money to some coaching or to some school. Until you went there and got your degree, or when you went to college, you paid money there as well. Now, if you want to make your full-time income from here, there will be expenses here too. Nothing is going to happen for free. Alright, so let me make this absolutely clear. It might sound very bitter, but this is the truth and this is the reality. Alright, so I hope you have understood all these things. There are more videos coming up. You can watch those videos. You will get even better knowledge from there, or there might be a link given above. You will be able to watch the video from there. You will get even better knowledge from that. Go watch and take action. If you want to earn good revenue from here and want to work in a proper way, there's nothing much to it. At least contact me, talk to me. I will guide you on what needs to be done and how to do it. If you talk, you will at least get an idea. Alright, so I hope you liked this. Thank you.